Welcome. So in this video, we will see how to create a 100% stacked bar chart using Power BI Desktop. So when you click on the 100% stacked bar chart in Power BI Desktop, so it is skilled and will be generated, and you can just expand the chart, and you can select the required attribute. For example, here I'm going to select the date of sale and as well as the sales amount. So you see, for each year the sales amount is generated, right? So I will also add a state in the tooltip. To do that, I can just click on it. Tooltip will, I mean legend. Sorry. So legend, to add a legend, you can just click on the state. The legend will be automatically created. All right. So when you hover over your mouse on each bar, you'll be able to see the date of sales and the state and sum of sales amount for that particular uh, product that you have state that you have selected, right? Yeah. So what it means 100% stacked bar chart, right? So whatever the measure that you select here, right? For example, sales amount is my measure here, and 100% the particular dimensions, right? How that dimensions are segregating the sales amount, that is what it is exactly. For example, so in this particular scenario, right, I have a date of sales year wise. For 2021 I have one bar generated, and 2020 I have another bar generated, right? When you hover over your mouse in the 2021 area, for the sales amount, you notice, right, the sales amount I have, you see the legend is segregated into three different states, right? Delhi, Gujarat and Maharashtra. So if you hover over your mouse, for example, this blue color state at Delhi, so how much percent it is contributing in 100% of the sales amount? It is a 5.68%, right? And go to the Gujarat, and it is contributing 93.61% in 2021 for a Gujarat state. And go and select this one. This is very minimal, right? I mean, the sales amount contribution is 0.71% for Maharashtra in 2021. Sorry. And for another bar, and it is similarly like for 2021, the sales amount, you can notice here, and state wise it is segregated, right, for a legend. And for example, the blue color Delhi, it is contributing at 24.91%, and which is the second one Gujarat is 38%, and the last one Maharashtra is 36.44%. If you add all these percentages, right, it will be 100%. So that is what the 100%, when we say 100% stacked bar chart or a column chart, right? So I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If I publish any video, you'll get the will get the alerts. For that, you can click on the bell icon. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.